Good morning, everybody. Movements of the earth. The earth has two types of movements, rotation and revolution. Rotation causes day and night. Revolution causes seasons. First, we are going to learn about the rotation of the earth. The sun is in fixed position in the solar system. The earth rotates or spins on its own axis, which is an imaginary line runs through the north pole and south pole through the center of the earth. The earth rotates from west to east, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Due to this rotation, the half part of the earth experiences day and the another half part of the earth experiences night time. The rotation of the earth causes day and night and night into day. However, the night time of the earth is lightened by the moon, but the moon has not its own light. The moon reflects the light of the sun. So, in sometimes the earth got light from the moon. The next movement is revolution. Revolution means the earth goes round the sun. The earth rotates itself and at the same time it revolves around the sun. See how the earth rotates the sun. The earth takes 365 and half days to go round the sun. But we take 365 days as 1 year. Balance 6 hours adds into the 4 year becomes 24 hours. So we have 1 day extra. That 1 day we join into the February and we call that year leap year. In the leap year we have 366 days in a year. Because of the earth revolves around the sun, we get seasons. The main cause of revolution is seasons. We have 4 seasons: spring, winter, summer and autumn. In the spring season, we can see the new leaves. In the autumn season, the trees shed their leaves. Summer is a hot season. Winter is a cold season. See, the earth rotates around the sun. This position is B. In this position, the sun rays fall in the southern hemisphere. This position is called B. Here, the sun rays fall directly on the northern part of the earth. So, we have summer in the northern hemisphere, winter in the southern hemisphere. It is called summer solstice. And now the earth revolves around and now the sun rays directly fall in the southern hemisphere. So the southern hemisphere enjoys summer, northern hemisphere enjoys winter. This is winter solstice. Apart from this, we have 2 more seasons, spring and autumn. The March 21st is the spring season. This is spring equinox. Autumn equinox falls in the month of December. The longest day in the summer is 21st June. in the northern hemisphere, shortest day is 21 December, that is longest day. Finally, the summary. The earth has two movements, rotation and revolution.